do. So let's knock this out. All right. Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to another pre-market pulse scan. Today is Tuesday, February the 14th, 2017. It's late. It's now 19 minutes after 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But hey, better late than never. And happy Valentine's Day to all you lovers out there in the land. All right. Looking at the overnight markets, keep in mind that we do have Janet Yellen speaking today. I don't know if it's 10 a.m. or if it's 2 p.m. I have no idea. I just know she's going to be talking, and whenever she talks, it tends to move the markets in unhealthy ways. So we'll see what happens today. All right, overnight, starting with the bond market, it's pretty much, quiet, dead in the water. Only off a tick right now at 151.13. The Dow down 12 points at 20,371. NASDAQ off 3 points at 52.56 quarter. S&P off 1.25 at 23.25 quarter. The Russell is off 5 points at 1387.30. And the Nikkei down 220 at 19,320. Crude oil is up 72.5 cents at $53.65. The good old US of A dollar index, it is off about a half a tick at par 90. So stand up around that 101 level. The euro is up 9 pips at 106.19, and the pound is getting pounded a little bit, down 56 pips at 124.77. The Aussie up 37 pips at 76.77. Gold up $8.90 at 1234.60. And silver over $18 at $18.02.5, up 20 cents. So the real story is the metals and the pre-market catching a bid here. Gold is looking like it wants to run now. We may have to get out of the paper and go ahead and get along that gold medal this morning. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Let's slide on over and see what the tea leaves have to say about what's going on with today's markets. Now, keep in mind too, the weekly readings, the weekly post wave readings that we went over yesterday. You got to keep those in the back of your mind because it could play out anytime between, now and Friday. We do have, excuse me, we do have some alerts to go over, so I'm going to boot that up right now. See what we got here. All right. First things first, we'll go over the 9/11 alerts, the rally alerts, and we have something to talk about. We got GDXJ. GDXJ is at the top of the list with a rally alert. We got a established uptrend, and we have a rally alert therein. So GDXJ, that's a strong one. And the reason being is because as goes GDXJ, goes JNUG, and goes Nugget along with it. URRE, our uranium resources, has a rally alert. That's a very interesting one. If it triggers today and we close above $2.37, that will set the course for a run at that 316 resistance. And that could be a very powerful indication that this downtrend in URRE may be coming to a head, and we may find some support. All right, Twitter has a rally alert along with Teva Pharmaceuticals. Pretty Ricky has a rally alert. Doug has a rally alert, which is the inverse ETF that is in the algorithmic Kumo cloud of death. Intel has a rally alert. Heckler has a rally alert. GoPro has a rally alert in it. Let's see here. AG has a rally alert. Interesting that Dust and Nugget both have rally alerts. Let's deal with that for a second here. It should be noted that they both have rally and crash alerts, simultaneous alerts. So this is going to be interesting on which way we break, because we're at a breaking point where a breakout is imminent. Sometimes you get a whipsaw effect where you'll take out support and then rally and blow past your resistance, or you'll take out your resistance, head fake, and then blow past your support. So this is going to be interesting as which way wins out. Keep in mind that Dust is in a bear market with a crash and rally alert, while Nugget is in a bull market with a rally and crash alert. So gold is at a crossroads. It needs to do something. Gold really needs to close above that 1245 level on the weekly in order to put it into its negative momentum slide. Okay, JNUG has a rally alert, as it should, and a crash alert, just like JNUG. So JNUG and JDST are just like Nugget and Dust. So that the gold miners complex is at a crossroads right now, today. That's what that's showing you. Let's see. Deutsche Bank has a rally alert. It's very interesting. All right. Let's see here. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a rally alert. Can Bitcoin catch a bid? That's going to be interesting to see. Can Bitcoin actually catch a bid? I think so. I think it can. We'll have to wait and see, but I think it can. Moving right along. Let's see. I'm going to go back and talk about gold for a minute here. Let's go back. All right. It should be noted that we are already above the entry point for today in the gold. So in the pre-market, gold has broken out. If you're trading futures, you're waiting now for that that trigger on the weekly to hit. If it is going to hit, then you're long and you have a super sonic breakout ahead of you. So this is going to be a powerful one. We'll go over this further, you guys, in the trading room at the end of this pre-market post scan. But yeah, we cannot ignore that goal. We're gonna have to go into that and deal with silver. I neglected to cover silver last night, so let's go over silver real quick now. As a matter of fact, I'll pull up a chart too, because I just forgot to do it last night in the end of day report. Hey, some things happen. You can't think of everything. All right, real quick, because we're getting close to that opening bell, so let's wrap this up. We'll end it with the silver, and then trading room, we're gonna go right in and do what we do. So you guys stick around. All right, on the silver on the daily chart, it is powerful. This is a very nice daily chart. Very, very bullish. And on the weekly, you're in the Kumo cloud here, and it's looking like it wants to make a run. So that means we need to close outside of the cloud. We need to get above 19. A good solid close above 19 for silver is super bullish on the weekly chart. I like it on all time frames. It should be noted that on the intraday is powerful. Intraday charts are powerful. I know you guys see this on this silver. This is dope. I like this. So we need to take a look now at SLV. We need to take a look at USLV. We don't have a choice. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at the SLV as well. SLV daily chart. Yep. We just don't. Now the SLV chart, we just don't want to see a close on the SLV below that 1684. Okay. On an intraday, you can trade below it, but you don't want to close below it. Looking at the silver miners now. Silver miners now are weak on the daily chart, and they are also the bullish the weekly, but bearish the daily. And on the weekly, we got to stay above 38.68 on a close. All right. On the daily chart, we're already below that momentum line there of $40.10 on SIL. So it's showing somewhat some weakness on the miners. Hopefully, the more powerful the silver futures get, it could help push this. But it's also in the Kumo cloud. So these markets could go any which way when they're in that cloud. But I'm going to say that on the silver miners, we're probably going to see a downdraft here towards support. It's looking like 37.45 is in play for SIL. Just keep an eye open for that. All right, so I don't think the market's going to move too much before Janet starts to talk. So we'll see what's up. So remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Opening bell right there. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace out. Trading room, hold on.